Hi coders! CS Time channel here, and this video discuss about insertion at the beginning of single linked list and Java programming implementation using Eclipse. Suppose we have a linked list like this that point by head. This linked list consists of B, C, D, and F. And then we have another node that point by new item. We understand that each node consists of two parts. The first part we call it as data, and the second part we call it as a pointer. So if you want to access A, then you have to tell new item dot data. And if you want to access the pointer, then you write new item dot next. Suppose you are asked to link this new item at the beginning of the linked list. It means the position of new item node should be before B. Let me redraw it here. So to insert this new item node at the beginning of the head, all we need to do is to tell the new item dot next point to the head like this. And to maintain the linked list always point by the head, then we have to tell the head to point to the new item. So it will look like this. Let's see the Java programming implementation using Eclipse. In the previous video, we learned how to declare a node. We also learned how to initialize the node, and then how to display the node, and then we also create the node, and then we link all the nodes. Now let's see how to insert a node in the beginning of the linked list. For that purpose, let's comment this code. Up to this, we will keep the instruction to call the display method. So our first job is to create the method, the name of the method, and then the node itself. I call it as new item here. And then we will create the object for the node like that. Since we want to insert the new node at the beginning of the linked list, then we will tell the new node dot next point to the head like this. And to maintain the linked list, we will tell the head to point to the new node like that. Now we can call the insert first method here SL. This is the object SL.insert first. So here I want to insert D at first. Let's see the result. Keep in mind I already comment this, so it means the linked list still empty and we want to put D in the beginning. Let's see the result. So D at the beginning and point to the null. And say for example I want to add more data here in the beginning, and this time I want to put C for example, and if I see the result, now C at the beginning point to D and D point to null. One more time, I put B here, so B should be inserted in the beginning like this. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe and like for more videos. Thanks for watching.